Using label makers. Use a printer when creating labels. Printed labels are easy to read. There are several brands of printers available of equal quality. No matter what printer brand you are using, the main standard for the label tape is white laminated TZE. This standard has been chosen because it is resistant to water, UV, temperature, abrasion, chemical, and fading. Try to avoid handwritten labels. The printed labels are easier to attach on the fiber casing and connectors, as well as applying them internally and externally on the doors of an IFDT, MPT, or MBDT inside the mirror. Using a label maker.